Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey there, want to make your shopping at Walmart even easier in 2025? With Zip, you can get exactly what you need today and pay for it later, without any fuss. This fantastic service lets you split your total purchase into 4 simple, interest-free payments, spread out conveniently over 6 weeks. It's a smart way to manage your budget and make those essential or desired items more accessible right when you want them, completely free of hidden fees when used responsibly. Before you head to Walmart, there are just a couple of quick steps to get ready. First, download the Zip app onto your phone and create your free account. It's super straightforward. Next, link your preferred debit or credit card to your new Zip account for seamless transactions. Finally, double-check that you have enough available credit within your Zip app to cover your planned purchase, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free checkout experience when you're at the store. Once you're ready to pay for your items at Walmart, the process is quite simple. When you get to the cashier, just let them know you'll be paying with a debit or credit card. Then, open your Zip app and tap on the Pay in Store option. This action will instantly generate a unique, one-time virtual card number for you. Simply enter this virtual card number and its security code into the PIN pad at checkout, exactly as you would with any regular bank card. Using Zip for your online Walmart purchases is just as convenient. First, gather all your desired items and add them to your cart on Walmart.com or through the Walmart app. When you proceed to checkout, look for the Zip payment option and select it directly if available. If not, choose debit or credit, and you can still use a virtual card generated from your Zip app. You'll then be quickly redirected to the Zip app or website to confirm your purchase details and finalize your payment plan. Zip offers some great advantages, like interest-free payments, which make managing your larger purchases much simpler for your budget. Remember to always make your Zip payments on time. This helps you avoid any late fees and keeps your account in good standing. Ultimately, think of Zip as a helpful budgeting tool designed to give you flexibility, rather than just an avenue for extra spending, promoting overall financial wellness in your shopping habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.